My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I was a revenue officer. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 40. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I've been on the national news many times, Newsmax, News Nations, ABC, The Briefing Room, I don't know, just CBS, NBC, anyway, tons of them. You can go to my website at 777irs.com and you can take a look really at my team. I want to talk to you today about is a revenue officer knocked on your door or wants to see you for an appointment, or have they contacted you about your case? This is going to be very self-promotional. I have about 1,800 videos out there. I cover all different subjects in the IRS resolution matters, from unfiled returns, levies, everything, seizures, everything. But today, I just want to tell you something. So many people are shopping for people to help them with their IRS problem, especially when a revenue officer is working the case. Let me just ask you a question that should make good common sense to you. Who's better to hire than former IRS agent revenue officers who know the system? I have 4 former ROs on staff, including myself. When we get a case, first of all, there's a connection because they were an RO, we were an RO, so we have RO talk involved. We know where the case is going, what they're going to do, and generally they will tell us exactly what they need on the case to close the case. You're not going to get that with anybody else. You want to take an enrolled agent, a CPA, an attorney, you are not going to get the same respect because a revenue officer knows what a revenue officer knows, and there's a mutual connection. Now you may say, is it every single time? No, it isn't, but I'd say 98% of the time it is. If you are having a problem with IRS and a revenue officer is working your case, I am telling you flat out right now, after 50 years of doing this, remember, I have attorneys and CPAs and everyone on my staff. The best person ever to represent you when a revenue officer has a case is a former revenue officer. I'm just telling you that. It should only make sense. You have questions, you can call me. If you would, go ahead and leave me, give me a subscription. I'd appreciate it, but I do tell you the truth. It should make common sense. We just have a knack with them, and they have a knack with us. Thank you.